So cute. Look at this. We're comparing it to this. Yo, that's fire. I ain't gonna hold you. What's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin'? For those who don't know, MidJourney is an AI art generator, one of the OGs of this AI art generator one. I have a subscription for it, and they recently updated their version to V6, and supposedly it is way better. So what we're going to do is compare it to some of the pictures that it's done for me before and see what is this upgrade looking like. So let's just jump into my screen real quick, right? So for those who don't know, let me go into, this is Discord, right? And this is my MidJourney bot that I've created a few things. Right? Just off of text. This allows you, by you just putting in words, it's going to create different pictures for you, right? So let's do, I like these Frenchies, right? So I'm literally, what I'm going to do, this is what the old version created. Really cute. I think it's cute, right? This is the old version. I'm literally going to take this, right? I'm going to take this, boom, and I'm going to see what the new version does. So we're going to put imagine. That's how you start up the MidJourney prompt. And I'll just copy it. MidJourney starting its thing so far. Here we go. It's at 31%. So we're comparing it. Let's go back. We're comparing this, which is so cute. It's so cute. To, oh wow. Oh, they got detailed. Okay. 1 to 10, what do you think about this? 1 to 10, compared to the old version to this one. So we're comparing, let me go back. This, right? And all I put the same prompt to get the French bulldog, right? So for those people who want to know what the prompt is, I said a male lilac fawn French bulldog, that's the specific bulldog, right? Exuding an aura of elegance and charm. His unique gray eyes gaze intently, capturing attention and curiosity. Around his sturdy neck, a gold chain that glimmers and adding a touch of urban sophistication to his appearance. We got photorealistic portrait, high fashion pet photography, right? So I got really in depth. What helped me for those people who want, this type of in-depth prompt, I use ChatGPT. I ain't gonna hold you. I believe I still have the prompt. Let me see, not the prompt, the plugin that helped me. Let me pull up ChatGPT real quick. ChatGPT. Let me see if I can find you the. Here it is. So it's part of the ChatGPT plugin. It's called Photorealistic. So that's what helped me get that prompt. YMT said 9. I see you. I see you. So yeah. So if you want prompts like that to go into your MidJourney, you're gonna want to go get this plugin. It's called Photorealistic. It gives you that situation. Do me a favor, if you have not subscribed to this channel and I've added any kind of value, or you want to get value from AI, social media, and content tips, hit subscribe, hit that like button so the algorithm can like us. You feel me? If you're watching this right now, hit that. Thank you. So I like that. I like that. Number 4 is look like my bendito. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. I see you. Oh, Benito. Sorry. I said something completely different. My bad. Do not want to disturb the puppy. You feel me? All right, last one. Oh wait, how does it not? What happened? Let's try that again. Do we not like that? Do we not like that one? Oh, I see what it did. Okay, hold up. Oop, we don't want that. Okay, there we go. I was like, wait. All right, one more. One time for the one time. Let's see what it does. Hold on. This looks promising. We're at 93. So let me show you what we're comparing it to. And then I need 1 to 10. Okay? Hold on, let me go back. Let me go back to what we were comparing it to. We're comparing it to this. Okay? So cute. Look at this. We're comparing it to this. And this one did, going all the way down. Yo, that's fire. I ain't gonna hold you. That's fire. This one right here, this second one, the top right, that's crazy. With the people in the back, that's crazy. Oh man. Can they give me? These two right here are so good. All of them are so good. Jesus. Give me another version of. Man, these are all good. Give me another version of one. Let's do that. That is so good. What y'all think about that one? Let's go. Let's see what this one does. Do. It's going. Come on. Oh, it like changed right away. Come on. It's at 93. Oh, these are so good. These are so good. These are, yes, with the snow. Okay, hold on. Let me try the version that I liked. Let's do the version 2 one. Because what I want to do then is see if I can put motion to it. So out of these, I'm going to pick my man right here. I think he dope, right? So let me upscale. That's U3, right? I'm getting all these foam. So where's web? I don't even know what web is. No, go back. I like that. We hurting. You successfully rated this job. I did. Save this image. Save it, right? I see you, Greg. So let's go back to Pika Labs. Take this, and I wonder what it'll do by itself. Let's see what it does by itself. Pika Labs is something y'all all got to get into, by the way. It's free, okay? I'll put that in super free. Look at this. I'm gonna send y'all in the chat. But look at this one. You see the ducks? The ducks are so cool. We get copyright with these. Yeah, so when you pay for MidJourney, you're allowed to use them for resale. So yes, here we go. Bum. And put that. I got you. So as that's doing that, I'm gonna go back. These are so good. And I tell you, these are so good. These are so good. Look at this. Look at, that's fire. That's fire, people. Oh my God. Yeah, MidJourney doing their thing on this. Look, that's so good. Oh yeah, here we go. Come on. Oh, you can make this into a video now? You get all those other ones that we did and you put them in back to back like a story? Oh, I'm about to go crazy. On this one. I turned a still picture. I used a prompt. I made it look like that. We went to Pika Labs. It created a whole little video. I think that's fire.